Max, do you know those people who cannot let you finish one story peacefully?
You say you walked 5 kilometers, they suddenly survived the Himalayas barefoot.
And today's video is about Bradley Brisk, the man who turns every conversation into a motivational documentary.
I only slept 4 hours last night. I'm exhausted.
4 hours? That's nothing, Nathan. I once stayed awake for 3 days straight.
3 days? How?
Mind over matter, Nathan. I built mental toughness.
Why would you do that?
Discipline, focus, greatness. That's nothing. Light work, true story. I think you exaggerate a little. Exaggerate? Nathan, I am one of the most honest athletes alive! You told me you once ran 15 kilometers with a broken ankle. And uphill. There were no hills in your city. That's nothing. Mind over matter. That's how steep it was. Most people can't handle that. Discipline, Nathan. Discipline.
To exaggerate means making something sound bigger, harder, or more dramatic than it really is.
I finally won a game against my cousin yesterday. That's nice, Nathan. But I once defeated 6 people in one tournament. It was a children's birthday party, Bradley.
Victory does not ask for age groups.
I'm just trying to enjoy the game. And I'm trying to dominate it mentally. You are warming up for miniature golf. Champions prepare differently, Nathan. It's literally windmills and tiny bridges. Exactly. High-pressure environment. Light work, Nathan. I built mental toughness here. It's just mini-golf, Bradley. You always try to outdo everybody. That is called setting standards. Light work, Nathan. I once completed a triathlon with a broken toe. Mind over matter. That's how you build mental toughness.
To outdo someone means doing even better than them, or at least loudly claiming that you did.
These burgers are actually pretty good. Of course they are. I gave the chef 3 motivational tips before he started cooking.
You spoke to him for 8 seconds.
Sometimes greatness only needs 8 seconds, Nathan. You really enjoy talking about yourself. That is called confidence. People find it inspiring. You once congratulated yourself after parallel parking. Because precision deserves recognition. Discipline, Nathan. Discipline. You parked between 2 lines. Not everyone can. You are unbelievably boastful. Boastful? Nathan, I simply believe the world deserves to hear about excellence. Light work. True story. Discipline, Nathan. Discipline.
Boastful means talking too proudly about yourself all the time.
Relax, Bradley. It's just a friendly game. There is no such thing as a friendly game, Nathan. Only victory. It's bowling. Exactly. Precision, focus, mental warfare. That's nothing. Light work. True story. Discipline, Nathan. Discipline. Mind over matter. Most people can't handle that. I built mental toughness. You turn everything into a competition. That's because I'm naturally competitive. Most people can't handle that. You even raced an old man to the elevator yesterday, and I respected him enough to give my full effort. He was using a walking stick, which made him unpredictable.
If someone is unpredictable, you never know what strange thing they will do next, which is why Bradley should not be allowed near competitions.
If you want detailed explanations and examples for these words, and if you know someone exactly like Bradley, check out the blog on flairforwords.com, link in the description, and we'll see you in the next video.